Hey guys, so we're going to be doing a demonstration on this tabletop machine. It is a single phase. You can see it only draws 15 amps at max power. 1.5 SB means it's a 1.5 stabilized unit, and we've got this set up at 70%. So what we're trying to show here is if you take 1.5 kilowatt times 70%, you end up with about 1 kilowatt. So it's not perfectly linear, this power switch, but approximately this is 1 kilowatt worth of power. Our grid meter, that shows us how much energy is still left inside the machine, and our plate meter shows us how much energy is being drawn out of that 70% of the power. And then we've got weld, and that's set for 5 seconds. Not sure if you can see it too well there. There we go. And this is a cool timer. It's set for 2 seconds. It's on tenths of a second, so it looks like 50, but you'll see the time is really quick, so it is 5 seconds. So 5 seconds weld, 2 seconds of cool. I've tuned it in already, so we're already ready to go. So I'm going to put the camera on the stand, and we'll go ahead with this bad boy and make a test hit. Be right back. Okay, so look at a couple things here. So measure the square inches. So this block is 123 inch, 1.23 inches, right? And it's, how long is it? 4 3/4. Okay, and the 2.3 is in both directions. Okay, so if we do that 1.23 times 4.75, we got 5.84 square inches. So let's just write on there 5.8 square inches. Okay. And on the second block is, let's see here, 2 inches, right? By, we got 4.97. So 2 by 4.97 equals 9.94 square inches. 9.9. So on this one we'll write 9.9 square inches. Okay? Okay, so first we'll do a couple seals on these 2 pieces of material, coated on one side. Coated side to coated side. This die is just room temperature. 5.8 square inches. And we'll set it in there. Hit it for 5 seconds. You can see the plate meter rise. Okay. And I'll show you that. You can see the impression if I catch it in the light, right? Okay. And that's a good bond. Same thing on that side. Okay, so see how the material's stretching there? What it's going to do is it's going to delaminate the material. Now that it's welded, it's going to leave fabric on one side or the other, and delaminate you can see that's a mirror image. Whatever's off of this side is left on this side. So yeah, all the way down to just the fabric. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Okay, we'll hit this side that we didn't put any power to yet. Watch it run again. Plate meter's about mid-scale. Going up close to the 3/4. Hit about 3/4 maybe. And the dies are just a little bit warmed up. And again, you can see that impression if I could catch it in the light right. Okay, so again, another good bond. Machine set at 70% power with 5.8 square inches of seal. And look at that, all the fabric on one side and all the laminate on the other side, the coating. So pretty cool. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to shoot for this larger block. And here the material, I'm just going to fold it over. I can fit that block on there like that. And use the block that we used before just as a spacer, because that block's a little short and the press may not come down and put even pressure on it. May not reach all the way down. Okay, so here we go. I might have to tune it up a little bit as we're going. We'll see how close I got. 5 seconds again. There you go. Let's see what we got. That was 90% power. And you can see some impression. Let's see if we got a bond. Yeah, we got a bond alright. So, see if I can show you. It's kind of, grab it with my fingers here. Yep, we got a bond. So let me go ahead and just rip it apart. See if it bonded the whole area. Okay, so there we go. We've got fabric on this side. You can see through that. And then on the other half is all the laminate. So, and that was at 90% power. 9.9 square inches with 90%, 5 seconds to weld, 2 seconds to cool. And the dies aren't warm, so they're stealing a little heat out of the part by being cold. So there you go. Okay, so again, I've got a couple pieces of the material here, and so we're gonna go ahead and hit this guy with a little more time, even though we did bond in the 5 seconds pretty good. We'll go ahead and see if we can't do it again and go 7 seconds at 90% power. It's centered a little better. Okay, here we go. Camera's on, ready to rock. There you go. So this one I'm not adjusting it while it runs. And it's 7 seconds. That plate meter's getting up there high. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what kind of weld we got. Okay, again, this was using this guy. If you could catch the pattern in the light on the part. So 0.9. And then let's go ahead and pull on it. And yeah, we got a real good bond there. You can see that. Go to the side. Real good bond. Corner. There we go. It's starting to rip. Found a weak spot, so to speak. And then now if I peel it, I peel it away from itself. Okay, I'm gonna get that. You got the fabric on one side and the urethane on the other. Pretty cool. Okay. Thanks for watching.